Beaches are one of the best creation of nature, where sun, sand and sea come together to celebrate their love. Whenever we think about a beach, we always imagine about Bali, Maldives, Mauritius or any European country. What about India? We also have many stunningly beautiful beaches in India. And here we come with a list of top 10 beaches in India. At the 10th position, we have Minisoy Beach of Lakshadweep. This stunning beach is situated at Minisoy Island, which is one of the 36 small islets of Lakshadweep group of islands. Minisoy is one of the prettiest beaches of Lakshadweep, and this beach is famous for its white sand and turquoise water, which attracts thousands of beach lovers from India and all over the world. At the 9th position, we have Gokarna Beach of Karnataka. This beach is one of the most popular beaches in South India. Gokarna is also one of the very few surfing sites in India. This beach gives some of the most beautiful sights of the ocean and surroundings hillocks. Some of the adventurous activities you can engage in Gokarna Beach including surfing, jet ski, snorkeling as well as trekking. At the 8th position, we have Rishikonda Beach of Andhra Pradesh. Just 8 kilometers from Vizag city, the beautiful Rishikonda Beach is a popular beach of Vizag that attracts many travelers as well as the locals here. This beach is well known for its golden yellow sand dunes surrounded by lush green plants. In Rishikonda Beach, you can also enjoy water sports like swimming, water skiing and windsurfing. Baga Beach, Goa is at the 7th position in our list. Baga Beach is famous for its dazzling nightlife as Tito's, Mambo's and Burritos. All the best nightclubs of Goa are near Baga Beach. Baga is one of the most visited beaches in North Goa. Baga also offers a vast range of water sports. At the 6th position, we have Marina Beach of Chennai. Marina Beach is India's longest and world's second longest beach and also the most crowded beach in India with almost 30,000 visitors a day. Whether you wish to take a romantic horse ride by the seashore or want to enjoy a spellbinding 360-degree view of the city from the Chennai Lighthouse, Marina Beach is a must-visit place. At the 5th position, we have Lighthouse Beach, Kerala. Lighthouse Beach is a hot favorite in the Kovalam area. This beach has so much for the travelers like shining sand, dense forest, picturesque hill stations, lush green plantations and miles of crystal clear water. Also, there are many shacks around the beach that serve the delicious local seafood. Varkala Beach, Kerala is at the 4th position. Varkala Beach is also known as Papanasham Beach. A calm and quiet hamlet lies on the outskirts of Thiruvananthapuram district of Kerala. The water of Varkala Beach is regarded to own medicinal and curative properties. A dip in the holy water is said to cleanse the body of impurities and all the sins, and thus the name Papanasham Beach means destroyer of sins. At the 3rd position, we have Elephant Beach of Andaman. Elephant Beach is located at the beautiful Havelock Island of Andaman. This beach is ideal for experiencing the underwater life and spending quality time in a peaceful and beautiful environment. Elephant Beach offers water sports like undersea walk, snorkeling, kayaking and many more. Overall, this is one of the best places to visit in Andaman Islands. And at the 2nd position, we have Agonda Beach of South Goa. Agonda Beach is a carpet of white sands dotted with colorful shacks giving the authentic Goan vibes. It is one of the cleanest beaches of Goa which are remarkably less crowded, and you can spend a very calm alone time in a peaceful silence of the beach. Also, it is a great spot for sunbathing and swimming. And at the top position, we have Radhanagar Beach of Andaman. Radhanagar Beach grabs the first position in TripAdvisor's list of best beaches in Asia. The turquoise blue sea and white sand of Radhanagar Beach is an exclusive experience where you can relax and have a leisurely time with your partner or family. The panoramic sights of sunset on this beach will make you to capture a few best memories of your Andaman trip. So that's all for now. Please subscribe to our channel for regular travel related videos. Thank you.